So over here, you can see that I have this floor plan right here. And I can actually go ahead and select it and then move this around over here in place as I like. And I can even go ahead and then, let's say, for example, select this out. So let me just go ahead and select this. And then I can go ahead and, let's say, for example, scale this out as I want as well. But let's say I want to prevent accidental scaling and moving. And in that case, I can actually go ahead and lock this into place. So for that, I can go ahead and right click and simply click on lock right here. And now you can see that the floor plan now gets logged out right here, just like this. And now what you can do is you can use this as a reference now in order to go ahead and model out your plan right here. For example, now I can go ahead right here and you can see that since it's a CAD file, it actually goes ahead and snaps onto place right here, just like this. So I can go around over here, just like this, and you can see that it snaps onto place right here. And now you can simply go ahead and then pull this up right here, just like this, to turn it into a 3D model as you wish now. So that is how you can go ahead and lock out your floor plan, that is your CAD floor plan, onto the place inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.